Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Custard Nisha Madhulika. Begin by measuring 500 ml milk and 2 tablespoon custard powder. Whisk the powder with 3 tablespoons sugar in a small amount of cold milk until smooth. Heat the remaining milk gently until warm, then temper the custard, mix slowly while whisking constantly. Cook until thick, then cool quickly in an ice bath to set before refrigerating. For smooth custard, whisk continuously while cooking on medium heat to avoid lumps. Keep the flame steady and do not rush the process, because high heat can curdle the mix. When the custard coats the back of a spoon and leaves a clear line, it is ready. Remove from heat promptly and transfer to a cool bowl to stop cooking. Chill gently to allow flavors to develop and texture to firm up. Enhance the custard by stirring in 1 tsp vanilla extract or a pinch of cardamom after removing from heat. Mix in chopped nuts, fresh fruit, or a swirl of chocolate for contrast and texture. For serving, pour warm custard over pastries or chill it and spoon into individual glasses for a refreshing dessert. Garnish with a sprinkle of cinnamon or a few berries to brighten the presentation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.